LMT's new compression router bit series just got a whole lot tougher with their unique endurance coating. Let's check it out. Chuck Shive here, and welcome back to CR Onsrud's Chips and Tips. Today we're taking a closer look at a real exciting advancement in our tooling lineup, the new LMT Endurance Compression Series router bits. Now, if you aren't familiar with compression bits, they have both downcut and upcut spiral flutes. With a downcut, you're making shear cuts downward to get a clean top surface edge finish. However, it may fray the edges on the bottom when you cut through your material, and when you're pocketing, the chips are compacted into the base of the cut. This can lead to heat buildup and increased tool wear, which requires you to route more slowly. Now, with an upcut, the chips are pulled up, leaving a clean bottom surface finish when you cut through the material, giving you maximum chip removal when pocketing. However, that can cause fraying or blowout on the surface of your material. But because you're getting rid of those chips, the heat doesn't build up as much, giving you longer tool life, and you can operate at faster feed rates. Now, compression bits combine the benefits of both the downcut and the upcut, pushing the chips from the top of your material down while pulling the chips from the bottom of your material up and out, delivering a crisp, clean top and bottom surface edge finish. With this new LMT Endurance Compression bit, they've given this series a significant upgrade. It has the marathon-based hard coating with a post-polish finish for superior surface smoothness and lubricity. This coating isn't just a cosmetic change. This coating is engineered to provide greater wear resistance, reduce friction, and help you achieve cleaner cuts for a longer period. It is a cost-effective solution that extends your bit life. Obviously, that depends on your specific applications. Here we have a 1/2" endurance compression bit. The first 3/16 is an upcut and the remainder is a downcut. When using this bit or any compression bit, you must be able to get below the upcut portion of the bit on your first pass. Otherwise, your results will be the same as if you were just using an upcut bit. Now let's take a look at it in action. Here we're cutting a sheet of double-sided laminate board using the Endurance Compression Series bit with a 3/8 diameter. We have our feed rate set to 1,200 inches a minute and the spindle speed set at 18,000 RPMs. Just look at the chips fly and check out that finish. These bits are especially beneficial when you're machining abrasive hardwoods, challenging composites, high-pressure multi-layered laminates, or low-pressure ones such as melamine or plywood, especially when both sides of your product are going to be showing. Now, if you're interested in purchasing some of these for your shop, just follow the link in the description to order them straight from our online store. That's onsrudtooling.com. And if you've tried them out, let us know about your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and see some of the great work that you're doing. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a chat online. And don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications to see more content like this. Be safe, stay healthy. I'm Chuck Shive. Thanks for tuning in.